want to do the Hoover Dam helicopter tour, 39 and up. There is Lake Mead. I feel it's a little fuller than last time we came out. What do you think?
Yeah, maybe.
I don't know. So we are here. So this is where we have a video of the railroad trail. Kirk and I walk in it, and then you did a bike video close to that, right?
Yeah, we did the bike video of it.
Yeah, and then we've done Boulder Beach. Like that's where we go jet skiing, right?
Yeah.
Or is that where we rented the boat?
Well, that's the path me and Dad took.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So my little sister, she graduated teaching from Ohio State, and she has a 3rd grade class. She has these class sailing, and she sent me 2 of them. I gotta take them to cool spots, so I figured Lake Mead is a pretty cool spot.
Yes, it is.
How many rooms did you say?
375.
372. Alright, so registration's up here on the left. This is nice. It's like a lodge. Nice.
There's the bar. Hey, look, they got big RC cars.
Yeah, right? That's super cool.
Comment below if you want us to do a video of this.
Look at that lizard. That looks ugly.
Bah!
I was gonna get into it too. Look at this guy, guys. Would you like to run into him? The desert turtle. Oh gosh, Colin. They have Collins here too? What? Can we get out there? Oh, very nice. Good find, Colin. Alright, so here's their little pool. It's quite nice. Little quiet. Looks like it goes from 3 feet all the way up to 6 feet. And then there's a little hot tub area. And you got Colin over here taking a nap. Typical teenage boy, right? Nice.
It's actually really comfy.
Taste it. Is that water good? Lake Mead's finest. Looks like they have a little athletic room over here. I see some treadmills and stuff in there.
There's a little restaurant.
Yeah, a little cafe type thing.
There's a...
So they're not that ziplining. Zipline bootleg canyon experience. Adults 159, children are 130. 3.5 hours. It's only 5 minutes from here. Oh, these are cool photos.
That's where the Hoover Dam is.
Yeah, that's when they're building it, right?
Right down.
Damn. Look at all those old trucks and stuff. You can take kayaking canoe adventures. 149, 179 full day. Or full day Black Canyon 221. Ooh, that's great.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing.
You should get one.
We're about to go eat dinner. There's a little shop.
Howdy, friend. Come on up.
You buy a bag and then you can like clean it in these little things. You put your bag of whatever in there and then you can get those types of rocks over there. That's kind of cool. It's like a mining. You can mine, but I'm sure you buy the rocks in the stores. That's really cool, huh?
Yeah, look, this is where the water's all clean.
Yep.
How's it get all that dirty?
Because that's where people wash their stuff out.
Red Dragon.
Coming soon. So I must be getting a new restaurant. This is a big cafe. And here's some more old photos. What is it?
Hoover Dam concrete.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Some thick concrete, right?
Yeah. Photos all the way through this hotel.
Ooh, oh, so they have a Dottie's Casino outside of the casino. That's weird.
Yeah, I don't think I'm allowed in there.
Probably not.
had a lot of little casinos in here.
There's some pool tables. There's some old Game Kings. What is this? Well, this must be like a game room for kids. That is a massive basketball game. It's out of order though, where I'd play. And then we got old school foosball. Craig always whoops me at this. And then it looks like, I didn't think Colin can come in here, but I feel like these are for kids. There's a bar in here. A lot of TVs on the walls. So it's kind of like a gambling slash game room and bar. And you can sit over here and watch some of your games. Anyway, the last video you guys saw was of Binion's, and that was before the Golden Knights won, so we had a sweep. We're on to the next ones. All right. I think that's more for kids in there anyway, Cole. You should have just come in. Alrighty. Ever wonder what it'd feel like to be a gunslinging cowboy? You can shoot guns.
Oh, this is also run by the people that Dad knows, that off-road place.
Yeah,
because he runs the
oh yeah, where you can blow up the taxi, right?
Yeah.
Slot World. These are all the slots. Oh, look at Wheel of Fortune. That's a fancy one. Oh, there's Simpsons. We got Wander. There's a lot of cool ones over here, guys. Wheel of Fortune. Look how fancy that one is. Nice.
Videotaping on the gaming floor.
Oh, okay. I'll go stand by that cowboy. I'm gonna do a draw with him. Ready? Don't touch that, it's probably hot. They have everything that you need to know about. Lake Mead, boating, fishing, hiking, and camping. There's a lot of places you can go. It was a nice casino. They have free soda. There are no table games. It's the only downfall. Nice run.
If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello.